Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the PUBG Mobile 90 FPS gameplay support test in the Realme X1 Max device after recent Realme UI 3.0 update. After this update, the Badlands mobile game completely restricted to 60 FPS only, which we do know with this trial version and the beta version. But let's see friends, what will happen with the PUBG Mobile. Will you be able to play at 90 FPS or not? Will the 4D vibrations will be working or not? These are the few things which I'll try to discuss in this video. And this is just a trial version and beta version, so maybe the things might be slightly different by the time we get the stable version, but I cannot guarantee that. But right now let's see what happens with this PUBG Mobile, whether the 90 FPS is enabled or not. And I'm trying to use the high refresh rate 120 Hz only during this process of demonstration. Let me need to open the PUBG game right now and let me need to start playing the game. Let's see how much difference it's gonna be there regarding the refresh rate. Let me need to keep the Realme gaming triggers. So these are the Realme gaming triggers which I did purchase. And right now we'll be able to see exactly friends what is happening with the overall refresh rate. And even the 4D vibrations, I don't think 4D vibrations will be working anyway. So I do feel the Realme should utilize this hardware capabilities of this Realme X1 Max device, but they are not at all utilizing the hardware capabilities because it has got really good 4D vibration effect, but still we cannot play these games. So not so many people want anyway with that kind of 4D vibrations. But let's see what happens with the default settings. And I'm getting 90 FPS. I did select 90 FPS as you can clearly see friends. In both compact and lobby as well. Both options I did select 90 FPS. And let me need to enable the real-time FPS option. What's happening? Here comes the real-time FPS option, so which is available at this moment, and now it's showing only 60 FPS unfortunately. Even in the PUBG Mobile also there is no 90 FPS support in the Realme X1 Max. This is very unfortunate friends to see this kind of restriction. So and one more game which I need to try, which is the PUBG Korean version. So maybe with the PUBG Korean version, maybe the things might be slightly different, but let's see what happens with this PUBG Mobile. And then I'll try to upload video on the PUBG Korean version as well. Right now we should be able to see exactly what's happening with the real-time FPS meter. And right now real-time FPS meter we are getting. Let me need to mute the volume. And there is no haptic feedback. No, even when I'm trying to shoot, even with no, even with the heavy volume also, high volume, I'm not getting any kind of haptic feedback apart from vibration haptic feedback, not actual haptic feedback anyway. FPS is maintaining, not bad. So it's maintaining really good, like 56, 59, 60 FPS I'm getting consistently, nothing much problem. So not a problem with the 50, 60 FPS anyway. So friends, FPS was able to maintain consistent, nothing much major problems. So 60 FPS and 59 FPS it's maintaining. So because PUBG servers are not that smooth at this moment when compared with the Badlands mobile game servers. $60 FPS, not bad. So a little bit kind of not that smooth. So let me to increase the touch sensitivity. Right now it feels slightly kind of smooth, not bad. It's kind of a little bit kind of smooth. 60. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. And this is a quick testing on the PUBG Mobile 90 FPS test in the Realme X Max without using any kind of config file, no GFX tool, no steady date application, nothing at all. By default, you cannot get that 90 FPS support, friends. Unfortunate to see this kind of thing happening in the Realme X Max. And thank you for watching this video, friends. And see you in the next video. And let's stay tuned for more updates. And meanwhile, signing off. Until then, bye. There is no 40 vibrations, there is no 90 FPS, but there is voice changer which is enabled, supported by this game. We got the notification saying. So you can actually activate the voice changes. As you can see, voice change you can actually activate. That's kind of cool. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. And meanwhile, signing off. Until then, bye.